stop scrolling for a second, and be honest. When was the last time you enjoyed reading a PDF resume? Hmm? Never, right? It's boring, it's static, it's basically a dinosaur. So I killed my resume. So, like, basically, not killed the dinosaur, of course. And I built Sofia. You guys already aware of my website, my portfolio, but look at this UI. She isn't just a website, she is my digital twin. Actually, she is better than me because she replies instantly and never sleeps also. I can ask her anything. See, what are jazz hobbies? And boom, PC building. I really love PC building, by the way. And she knows the vibe. Let's say if I ask about the all the projects, so definitely she will tell my all the projects list. She will list down very easily, very straightforward. You guys can see the scan 360 and train 360 cards also, which I loved, of course. Let's say if you guys wanna know about my mobile application, just click on it. She will show the mobile applications also. Leaf Aid, which is very famous right now, and luxury rides. Luxury rides is for who's like for whom. If you are really rich and live in Delhi, go download it. It is available. The live demo. Okay, now you guys are techies. I think that's why you are watching my video. So you are asking, Jay, how did you build this? This looks like 2030 tech. Relax, guys, relax. I will give you a cheat code. Cheat code, but I will never say it like a cheat code because it's the end of 2025 and everybody must aware of everything, especially in the AI world. So let's start. See, first of all, the brain. I'm not using any basic model. I'm using the latest Gemini 3 Flash preview. That is why it is so fast, and that is why it is so smart also because it scored almost 43% in the last human exam. So that is the best part, of course. And for the voice, ElevenLabs, because let's be real, she has a better voice than me. And why I'm saying that, take a look here. Hey Sofia, how's going? Okay,
Hey, I'm Sofia. What would you like to know about Jai?
tell me anything about him.
Hey there. Jai Kumar Meena is an awesome AI ML engineer from New Delhi, India. He's super into agentic systems, tool use, and multi agent orchestration. And he loves building robust, production grade applications with LLMs and assembly.
Okay, that is fine. So the voice we are talking about, there is it. And the infrastructure, this is the only website which has its own backend. So I choose the Google Cloud, solid and scalable. Of course, I have the virtual machine in the Google Cloud Run. It's a Linux, of course. It is running there. Our backend is running there, and the front end, everyone's best choice, the Vercel. And I even bought the domain from there, so no DNS headache. Just click, buy, deploy. Laziness is mother of invention. Okay, okay, guys. But wait, here is the alpha. Here is the real secret sauce. This whole website, I actually utilize one very important thing, which is the Google's new agent development kit and the MCP server. And MCP server, of course, it's not from Google, but I used the model context protocol uh, to get the real data from the GitHub. Like she can literally see my GitHub commits in the real time. It's not magic, it's just advanced engineering. Like, but typing is so, it's so 2024, right? So go hands free. That's why you have options like live. You can just uh, like say your query here and yeah, boom. It's very easy. Sometimes I love this. But yeah, some of the very basic features are already there. And yes, see that is an agentic experience. The 10x engineer is obsolete, and the agentic architect is here, which is me. Okay, so now I'm going to speak about some of the advanced information that I'm going to add more in the future, which is the real-time project status, of course, which is define available status data sources easily. I will try to add a feature of meeting scheduler, like I can integrate cal.com, so Sofia can schedule actions easily. And you know what, I'm trying to integrate one of the best thing, which is mood and the emotion detection. Let's say you are angry but you still want to know about me. So I will take care of that. I'm not gonna tell you about how, but you will probably see into the next video. And yeah, these are things. I will try to also create some of the card generators, things like that, so it will make your overall experience much better. Okay, till then, if you guys have any questions, just ask me in the comment. I will drop the link below. Go talk her, try to confuse her, but be nice. She is sensitive. See ya.